Everybody asking how we doing, say we good. Don't need no one to tell me how to live just like they would. It ain't their business, but they in it, I don't know why. Revolved around my life after I found another.
For today's video, kain kami si Darcy. Yung Happy Meal siya, tapos chicken, pakang spicy chicken. Tapos ito yung take out. Let's go! So, ang kinain namin, yung Jolly Savers na tig 95, pero 100 siya kasi may add 5 kasi spicy. Tapos yung kinain ni Belet is yung Happy Meal with chicken na nagdagdag lang kami Sunday na small lang. Tapos may take out sila Lola at Mama. So, bata pa lang kami. Favorite na natin itong Jollibee kasi bidang saya at bidang bida-bida. Bye guys! Please like, share, subscribe, and click the notification bell for more upcoming videos. Sabi, baby ko. So, siya yung cousin ko, si Mary Margaret. Bye!